Okay, you're going to love most of this one because we can use Desmos. Okay? Uh, this is homework 2 in chapter 6. All right? Love this homework. X squared plus y squared equals 9. And then negative x plus y equals negative 3. All right? This is systems of nonlinear equations. Literally, it's negative 3, 0, negative 3, and 3, 0. So literally, you would put 0, comma, negative 3, comma, 3, comma, 0. And it would be this point and that point. Love, love, love this homework. X plus y equals 9. Enter. X squared minus y squared equals 81. Oh, yikes. So sometimes you have to look. And as you can see, this red line just keeps hugging the blue line except for this one little point. And that's 9, comma 0. Now, number next. Excuse you. Y equals 4 minus 5x squared. Y equals x squared minus 2. Ooh, hit home. And, that's not bad. We got 2 answers. Number next, 2x. The hardest part about this one is typing in all the answers. That's a weird looking problem. Ooh, this one has 4 answers and they're all ugly. Well, not all of them. But these 2 are. And guess what? It'll take them just as you see them. So that's really, really nice. Now, number next. Ooh, that's pretty. Now, I know I'm going pretty quick on this, and you might have to watch it a couple of times. Okay? And that's okay. Notice all of these have plus and minus 6 for the x, plus and minus 2 for the y. So literally, they've got one box for the x, and they've got one box for the y. So let me go back to, hang on just a second. Here we go. Notice with what I just put in Desmos, okay? So it's got plus minus 6, plus minus 2. So even though there were 4 answers, it looks like I've only put one answer in. But really, that represents 4 answers. Now, I'm not going to put in number 8 because I want to get to number 9 and 10. Graph both, find their points of intersection. Point or points of intersection. So, x squared minus 9y equals negative 18. Negative 2x plus 3y equals 3. All right? So let me do this. X squared minus 9y equals negative 18. That gives me 2 and 3, 3. Okay? So on here, I'm going to graph 2, 0, 3, 3, as my parabola. Now, for my line, let me go back to Desmos. Negative 2x plus 3y equals 3. 0, 1, and 3, 3. So 3, 3 is where they both cross. 0, 1, and 3, 3. Zero, 1, and 3, 3. And make sure you put the parentheses or it's going to count it wrong. They cross at 3, 3. Now, number last. A right triangle with a hypotenuse of blah has an area of blah. Find the lengths of the two sides. Now, area is base times height divided by 2 equals blah. Now, it does not like B and H. So we have to write it as x, y over 2 equals 84. All right? And again, doesn't like B and H. So x squared and y squared, and your hypotenuse is 2 square roots of 85. Notice I'm putting parentheses around that whole puppy and then squaring that whole thing. And I'm going to put both of these into Desmos, literally. And I'm going to let Desmos tell me the answer. All right? So, fraction bar, x, y, divide 2 equals 84. Enter. X squared plus y squared equals parenthesis squared, and inside parenthesis 2 sqrt 85. Now I need to scroll out. Now I got negatives, but I also got positives. Notice 12, 14, 14, 12. 12 and 14 are x or y, y or x. It doesn't matter. Okay? Oh, snap. I forgot to hit show. Let me hit home. I typed in my stuff and I see nothing. So I scroll out, scroll out, scroll out. Aha. I see negative ones. I see positive ones. And the X and the Y switched. So truthfully, it doesn't matter which one is the base and which one is the height. Honestly. So type 12 in for one of them, type the 14 in, and it doesn't matter which one you put where, truthfully. And is it that easy? Uh-huh. It really is. Homework 2, very rarely does anyone get less than 100 because it's that easy. Just saying. So, can you believe we're at the end? This semester goes so fast. All right. Holler if you need me. Bye.